There is a thought that you can't stop action with an iPhone, but au contraire, sure there is. If you use the hidden tool called burst mode. How do you do burst mode? Let me show you. So let's start with setup. There are two ways to do it on recent iPhones. You can either slide your finger over the shutter and just leave it down as you snap lots of photos, or go to settings and the camera app. Then you can turn on use volume up for burst, and that way use the top volume button. It's another cool way of doing it. So I got my finger right here on the volume button so I could do burst mode when the time is right. You see what's happening there? 45, 50, 60, I just shot 70 shots in like 2 seconds. So now you have to figure out how to navigate your way through all of those photos. Now Apple will automatically select the ones that it thinks is best, and frankly I don't always agree with Apple's choices. I prefer to open the camera roll, click edit on the photo, go to select, and then scroll through photo by photo to find exactly what I want. You can select a bunch, or you can even select all of them. So that's burst mode. Stay tuned to the Photowalkers TV channel for more tips and tricks. I'm Jefferson Graham.